Welcome. If you've ever needed to capture an entire web page, not just what's visible on your screen, using your Google Chrome app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated, step-by-step method to take a full page screenshot directly from Chrome, no extra apps or extensions required. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device and navigate to the specific page you want to capture. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you don't miss any content in your screenshot. Next, look to the top right corner of your Chrome app and tap the three-dot menu. This opens up a list of options. From here, select Share. This is where the magic happens. Once you tap Share, a new menu will pop up. Among the sharing options, find and tap on Long Screenshot. This feature lets you capture more than just what's on your screen. It allows you to scroll and select as much of the page as you need. Now, you'll see handles or guides on the screen. Drag these to select the portion of the page you want to include. You can scroll down to capture more of the page, ensuring you get everything you need in a single image. Once you're satisfied with your selection, tap Done. After that, you'll see a preview of your long screenshot. If everything looks good, simply tap Save. Your full page screenshot will be saved to your device's gallery or photos, ready to share, annotate, or keep for reference. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can capture an entire web page in Chrome, making it easy to save articles, receipts, or anything else you need in one seamless image. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy screenshotting.